Hello ma'am, my name is Dhaval Pandav. I am from collegedinner.com. A very warm welcome to our interview series which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview with the various dignitaries such as owners, VCs, principals, HODs and teachers. Before I proceed with this interview, I would request you to give brief introduction about yourself. Ma'am.
So my name is Jigisha Rawat. So I am a textile coordinator at Panisha Institute of Fashion Technology, and I'm very passionate about teaching the students, making them industry ready, and with the support of the institute, it's working really well.
It was really nice knowing about you and your experience, ma'am. So my first question is, you have held a key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what keeps you connected with the education sector, ma'am?
I have worked with a lot of A-list designers before my years in education, and I have noticed that a lot of students work in and they lack the confidence. They have the talent, but they lack the confidence in showing what they have stored inside them. Also, they are not very industry ready. It's more textbook ready than industry ready. So, teaching them to come out in the right manner and show what they have to the world.
Being the textile coordinator, what are your roles and responsibilities, ma'am?
It is more of making sure the kids are one industry ready, that is keeping them updated with the market trend, to teaching them the right stuff at the right time, which is not overexposing them to the market and teaching them only the key aspects that would bring them forward. And three, giving them the confidence to bring them the best colors of them forward.
What are the innovations and approaches you bring apart from the curriculum to teach students?
So textbook learning is one thing, but the more that you see, the more that you learn, is what one of my teachers had told me when I was learning in the initial stages of textile. So I try to bring everything possibly can into the classroom practically, that is textile oriented and is related to the curriculum, to expose them to how things work and explore themselves even beyond the textbook.
What do you see as the greatest strength of PIF team?
The way the management works. Like, they give us the freedom to explore the kids' talents, to explore ourselves within them. And there is this confidence of hand holding that we get, even they receive from the institutions, and may it be related to recruiting, may it be personal issues they are facing when they are studying, or may it be the confidence of coming out, the fear that most of the households have created when women step out into the fashion industry. Panisha, I think in that way, because it's a women-held institute, I feel they give the kids the confidence and us as teachers to come forward for that.
Any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Fashion is not all glitz and glamour. It is a lot of hard work. There is a lot of aspects that come along with clothing, like textiles, and their styling. There is a lot of art that's to be learned. There is a lot of heritage that follows. Improve your reading, go beyond the internet. The books are the key, and just read, use your time in the most appropriate manner possible.
It was a pleasure talking to you and interviewing Thoughts on Education, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.